Want to turn your wildest ideas into stunning AI art, videos, and even music with just a simple text prompt? Today, I'm showing you how to use Getimg.ai, an incredibly powerful, all-in-one creative AI studio that lets you generate almost any asset you need in one place. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by having to jump between 5 different websites just to make an image, upscale it, add a sound effect, or turn it into a video, Getimg.ai is designed to solve that exact problem. It brings leading AI models together into a single workspace, automatically selecting the best tool for whatever task you have at hand. Let's talk about how to use it for text-to-image generation. When you log into the platform, you'll find a clean, user-friendly dashboard. To create an image, you simply head to the Image Generation section. From there, you can type in your text prompt. What makes this platform unique is the sheer variety of cutting-edge models available. You can use Seadream 5.0 Pro for high-precision images with advanced text and reference image guidance, or Nano Banana 2 Lite if you need ultra-fast generation and quick edits. You just type what you want to see, select your model guidance, and hit Generate. But it doesn't stop at static images. Getimg.ai is a full audio-visual suite. Once you have your image, you can easily upscale it or use their image-to-video features to bring it to life. They feature video models like Gemini Omni Flash and Seedance 2.0 Mini. Need audio for your project? You can generate studio-grade music with vocals using 11 Music 2 or cinematic sound effects using 11 Sound Effects 2, all from simple text prompts. Now, to be completely transparent, we don't have a broad database of public user reviews configured for Getimg.ai just yet, so we can't tell you what the wider community thinks about it over long-term use. However, from a feature standpoint, the massive pro here is convenience. Having images, video, music, and sound effects under one single subscription saves you from managing multiple accounts. The only potential con is that with so many advanced models like Flux 2, Kling, and Google VO available, absolute beginners might face a slight learning curve figuring out which model works best for their specific art style. Overall, if you want a seamless, unified creative workspace that keeps up with the absolute latest in AI technology, Getimg.ai is definitely worth checking out. Head over to Getimg.ai to start creating and let me know in the comments what you think of their new Seadream 5.0 model. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more easy AI tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.